Hey everybody, I just needed to make this quick video and I'm gonna do a mobile upload, but I need your help. I need your help finding a part for this Jeep. What I need is, I need a seat bottom cover, the leather. You can see this one is pretty tired. Try and show you there because I can't flip the camera. But I got these seats from a scrapyard and every other seat in here is as close to perfect as can be, except for that one. So I need your help scouring the country, trying to find a good replacement cover for that. Now I know I could take it to an upholstery shop and get it fixed. I could buy seat covers. I've done all that before in the past, but I really just want to find a good factory replacement for it. So if you all could keep your eyes open for me, I would really appreciate it. DM me, email me, hawkeyeskunkworks@gmail.com. I've got PayPal. I'll be more than happy to send it to you for a reasonable price. And like I said, it's just the cover. I don't need the foam. I don't need the frame. That's all I need. So keep your eyes open for me. Find one. Hit me up. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.